Stop creating boring PPTs. Instead of that, create this. Take a blank slide, go to View tab, click on Guide, right click on the slide, go to Format Background, choose Gradient Fill. Make it 2 gradient stops, fill dark blue color for the first gradient stop and choose blue-gray color for the second gradient stop. Adjust the transparency to 71%. Go to Direction and choose Linear Diagonal. Now go to Home tab, choose Hollow Circle from the Shapes tab, drag it on the center of slide. Adjust the height and width to 2.4. Click on the orange button and drag toward inside to decrease the size. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Shape Fill, maroon color. Now go to Effects tab, click on 3D Rotation and choose Perspective Relaxed Moderately from the preset option. Decrease the size of Y rotation to 294.8 degree. Go to 3D format and adjust the depth to 18 points. Click on Shadow and choose Outer Offset Bottom from the Shapes tab. Adjust the transparency to 64% and size to 103%. Blur to 7 points. Go to Home tab, choose an oval shape and place it above the hollow circle. Adjust the size of oval shape so that it can match with the hollow shape. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Select a trapezoid shape and place it on the slide. Go to Rotate and choose Flip Vertical. Place this trapezoid shape on the top of oval shape. Adjust the width of the trapezoid properly. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Select the oval shape and the trapezoid. Go to Shape Format, choose Merge Shapes and select Union. Go to Gradient Fill, choose white color for both the gradient stops. Adjust the transparency of second gradient stop to 100%. Now go to View tab and untick the guide. Now place an oval shape on the trapezoid. Adjust the height and width to 0.8. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Place a triangle near to the oval shape. Rotate 90 degree. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Select both the shapes and choose Union from Merge Shapes. Select all the shapes together. Drag it on the left side. Now duplicate the shape 4 more times. Close the Format Shape tab. Here you can see that the shapes are not fitting inside the slide. So just select all the shapes together. Press Ctrl G to group it. Now decrease the size by holding the mouse on the bottom side. Arrange it on the center of the slide. Now click on the slide, right click, go to Group and then choose Ungroup. Click on this particular shape, go to Shape Fill, choose Eyedropper and place it on the hollow circle. Click on the second hollow circle, go to Shape Fill and choose blue color. Choose same color for the combined shape as well. In the same way, assign different colors to the remaining shapes. Now go to Insert, click on the icon and select any one and place it on the first combined shape. Decrease the size so that it can fit inside. Now give a white color to the icon. Choose different icons from the Insert tab and place it on the remaining combined shapes. Decrease the size and give white color. Now select the icon and the combined shape together and press Ctrl G to group it. Similarly, select all other icons and shapes, press Ctrl G. Now take a text box from the Shapes tab and insert below the infographic shape. Type the title, give font Arial Black, font size 18. Duplicate and place it below the other infographic shapes. Select the title and go to Shape Fill. Choose the same color as given above. Now for that, you can select the eyedropper and place it on the hollow shape. Similarly, do it for the other titles as well. Now draw another text box and write the content as per your requirement and give any font or font size. Duplicate and place it one by one. Now select the title and the content together. Press Ctrl G to group. Let's give some animation effect. So select the shadow, go to animation and choose white. Start on click. Duration 1.75 seconds and delay 0.50 seconds. Now click on this particular shape, go to add animation and select zoom. Duration 1.25 seconds, delay 0.50 seconds and start after previous. Select the title, go to add animation and select stretch. Under effects option, choose from top. Start with previous, duration 1.25 seconds and delay 0.50 seconds. Now select the second shadow, give wipe animation, start after previous, duration 1.75 seconds and delay 0.50 seconds. Now same animation to be given for all other shapes. So click on the first red combined shape, go to animation painter and place it on the second blue combined shape. Similarly, click on red title, go to animation painter and place it on the blue title. We need to do the same kind of animation with the remaining shapes using animation painter. Now it will save your time. Let's see by clicking on the slideshow. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more PowerPoint tricks and creative presentation ideas. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.